Punta na kami sa South Bus Terminal. Kukumute lang kami.
Kuya, pwede pa ihi. Kami pala.
Dagan nagtawo?
Oh. Abot ko nga mga oras siguro ha.
So, naanami dari sa Cebu, sa Oslo. Ano na kami nakarating alas 6 dahil ang bus ay umalis sa Cebu is 3 a.m. Wala namang 1 a.m. Kasi nandun na kami, magtuto tapos may mga tao nang nauna doon, 1 a.m. pa lang sila doon. Walang bus na umalis. Hi vlog. Koreana daw ako niya kasi Koreana daw ako. Aray ka taga sa master. Langoy na lang kaya tayo.
Nalte yan ma'am.
Di on ka malulangoy kaya.
Nalte, sasra. May GoPro lang.
Ha?
May GoPro.
Ang tour guide today? Ikaw yun, di ba kuya? Ano pangalan niyo kuya?
Sisi pa.
Jessie. Nice meeting you po. Ganda ng Bermuda dito
Bakit? Huwag na sila nag-recharge sila.
Hindi nyo walang pangalan na chef ma'am?
Ha?
Kawasa.
Hindi ko sa ano.
Tanongin mo ma'am kung anong pangalan ng chef para hintay lang. Ito dua ka kamera. Ay, dua kamera? Ay!
Dami tao. Ang dami sila. Dami sila.
Opo, kayo na para rendition.
Opo lang.
Pangalan ko mo, kilala yung...
Oo na kaya, rendition sa
Sige po.
Pila ka buhok na?
Duha kami.
Hello, good morning, and welcome to Tanawan of Cebu at some of the most important roads for your safety and for the protection of the wheelchairs. First is, you are not allowed to touch the wheelchairs. Second, no flash photography. Wearing of life vest is mandatory from the shoreline up to the interaction area. If you know how to swim, you can take off your life vest and leave it on the boat. In swimming, observe 5-meter distance away from the wheelchairs. And if you see them getting closer to you, do not panic. Just give way and let them pass. They are harmless. And for those who swim, you are not allowed to apply sunblock, sunscreen, or any skin protection or oil because these products contain chemicals that can harm the wheelchairs. But if you have applied it already, kindly rinse it off downstairs at the shower area before going to bed. Please obey all the rules to avoid penalties. There are sea wardens monitoring the operation. Additional reminders, be careful with your jewelry or any fashion accessories because this may fall down into the water. We are not liable for that. In taking pictures underwater, mobile phones are not recommended for swimmers. And swimming masks are provided on the boat upon landing. But if you have yours, you can use them. Always remember, you are not allowed to touch the wheel sharks. That's all. Thank you so much for today. You can now pass.
Thank you.
Please remember, no touching of the whale sharks, no flash,
Punta na tayo.
wearing of life vest is mandatory to observe the 5
Punta na tayo sa
on the whale sharks and apply.
Punta na.
Wait lang ha, antay natin sila mamaya. Katapos sila kayo. Okay ma'am, alright ma'am. Sige, dito naman tayo, hindi kayo ma'am.
Aha, kuya. Tare, tare.
Ma'am, tabi kayo ma'am.
Tabi kami.
Ah, tabi. Sige, dalawa ma'am. Hello sir.
Okay na.
Just waiting.
Let's go. Kumbate, kumbate.
Ulit puso.
Kumbate. Kumbate.
daw.